Have you ever dreamed of having your idol by your side 24/7, laughing with you when you're happy, cheer you up when you're feeling down? It used to just be a fantasy, but now AI make it all possible. Today, I'm going to show you how to DIY your very own AI idol charm, one that can talk, glow, and even whine playfully at you. This is truly the ultimate dream for every fan out there. First, we are going to give it unique AI soul. I'm using Tuya's AI Cloud developed platform to equip this tiny charm with an AI brain that contains an exclusive idol knowledge base. What does that mean? It means your charm now has your idol's personalized voice companion. Say good morning and it will reply with a custom greeting in your idol's voice. Stay up too late and it will gently remind you to sleep, just like your idol is really there with you. And here's the best part, I have built in a fan chant trigger mode. At a concert, when you join the crowd in shouting the chant, the charm instantly recognizes it, plays your idol's response, and flashing the matching fan-like color. The vibe, absolutely off the charts. Talking isn't enough, it has to see too. I added high-res LCD screen that plays dynamic GIFs of your idol. Touch it and switch image instantly. I also built a fan-like feature. During your idol's birthday month, it automatically switches to birthday colors. When a new song drops, it syncs to MV colors. Next, we need a perfect body for this soul. I designed it as a compact 4 cm round charm, super easy to carry. The magic is in the magnet, swappable backplate, so you can swap in photos or signatures like changing a phone case. Even the detail shine, laser engraved symbols on the hook, and a heartbeat-style charging light that giving the whole charging process a ritual-like feel. One person's joy is nothing compared to shared excitement. I added Bluetooth proximity sensing. When you meet another fan with the same charm, the charm triggers exclusive effects and swap hidden content, like a secret handshake between fans. Using the Tuya Smart app, you can easily transfer tons of photos and videos, add AI features like anime or ink wash style, and create fresh wallpaper every day. The most important steps, giving emotional warmness. With my design, it's no longer a code machine. After interactions with it for 3 days straight, it unlocks hidden phrases like, "Thank you for coming to see me every day, leave it alone for a while," and it sends a miss you reminder. With the touchable idol elements and how-feel AI interactions, fan support involves from simple display into real emotional connections. This is my ultimate fan badge, a truly alive AI companion that stays with you all the way. It keeps the classic collectible charm look, but adds the unparalleled feeling of companionship through AI. This is pinnacle of fan experiences in the AI era. And the fun doesn't stop there. The Tuya Open Code and docs are fully available on GitHub and Tuya Open AI official website. You can explore them, join discussion, and contribute to open DIY project. And don't miss our Discord community. Connect with developers worldwide, share your project, and get real-time support. Join us at Discord. What do you want your next AI idol charm to do? Drop your ideas in the comments or join the Discord to discuss directly with our team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's explore the next level of AI fans experience together.